can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll take a look at the general cryptocurrency market. We're having an epic sell-off today in the cryptocurrency market. Liquidations front, left, and center. $1.7 billion worth of liquidations over the last 24 hours. Over 400,000 traders have been liquidated, with the largest liquidation coming in at around $12.74 million. That liquidation happened on OKX. We'll take a look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market right now. Market participants are back to saying September is always a bearish month. October rallies questions as crypto market turns red 9 days out. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, has dumped to as low as $111,000. We have seen Ethereum dump to as low as $4,059. Is it a start to dump to gobbling down? How low can we go in the coming days and coming weeks? What's the fate for altcoins in the cryptocurrency market? Sentiment right now is still neutral in the cryptocurrency market. Are we expecting sentiment to move towards fear? Remember, guys, we're playing a game right now. What's the next move in the game? We'll look at altcoin season index. We've been in altcoin season. Right now, the index says we're leaving altcoin season. You know what an altcoin season is, guys? If 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that is altcoin season. Historically, after altcoin season, the dump to gobbling town begins. It's called altcoin season over. We're going to talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with the general cryptocurrency market. The last 1 week has seen some crazy moves in the altcoin market. We've seen altcoins pumping, but right now the altcoin market is dumping. A lot of these altcoins are taking back most of the gains. IP is still up 49% to 43%. We've gone in the daily time frame, double-digit losses across the board. Asta is down 22%, Pi is down 19%, Pump.fund is down 19%. And it's safe to say the altcoin market is turning very, very red. And even though we saw BNB setting new all-time highs over the weekend, we saw BNB crossing the $1,000 level, getting to as high as $1,083. Right now, we're seeing a pullback in the cryptocurrency market. But historically, guys, these pullbacks have been timed to accumulate before the final pump to the moon. We've talked about how the market is the game between the bulls and the bears, the game between those who can buy during fear and those who can sell during greed. And right now, I'm seeing a lot of fear going around the cryptocurrency market, because if you look at Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, we went to as well high as $124,000. This was since the 14th of August 2025. And if you go further back, we saw Bitcoin trading around the $113,000 level for the first time on the 9th of July 2025. Since then, Bitcoin has rallied to as high as $124,000, getting market participants hope high. We've had talks about Bitcoin going to $150,000, $200,000, but in reality, Bitcoin has been consolidating. So market participants argue Bitcoin has been under distribution. We've seen Bitcoin go up 8% from the 9th of July 2025. We've also seen it dump by 5%. But on a larger time frame, I believe the big players have been selling, and they have been selling for some sweet profit. If you look at Ethereum, on the other hand, even though it has dropped to as low as $4,100, Ethereum has still made a good move from the 7th of April 2025, where we saw Ethereum trading at 1,300. Ethereum right now is still up bigly, still up above $4,000. What I realize in the cryptocurrency market is that the higher we go, the more market participants want higher prices, and the higher we go, any small dump within the cryptocurrency market actually shakes confidence. Ethereum is still up 200% from where it was trading just about some months ago. 9th of April, Ethereum was trading at $1,300. Right now, Ethereum is still trading at $4,100. I'm giving you guys a longer time perspective. Don't get carried away by the dump. These dumps happen in the cryptocurrency market. They are found in between. The straight to all-time highs is not always a long road. The road to all-time highs is not always a straight road. The road to all-time highs is not just always a straight pump to the moon. There's going to be some dumps along the way. And right now, I believe we're seeing one of those dumps in the cryptocurrency market. If you look at what Bitcoin has done since the 7th of April 2025. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is up only 51%. We've seen a lot of altcoins pump harder than that. Total crypto market cap still sits around the $3.84 trillion level. We're still working towards the 13th of October 2025. I believe we're going to see a huge rally before the 13th of October. Solana's ETF is going to be launched then. XRP's ETF is going to be launched then. I will not be shocked if we pump into the launch of those ETFs. But right now, total crypto market cap from the 7th of April 2025, even with the dump, even with the chaos in the cryptocurrency market, is still up 66%. Historically, guys, when altcoins start outperforming Bitcoin, there's always trouble in paradise, and that's why we've been focusing on the altcoin season index over the last few days. We've seen the altcoin season index stay in altcoin season. We even got to a factor of 100 just some days ago, but right now we're heading back to neutral territory. I will not be shocked before the end of the day we'll head back to altcoin season, because it's clear altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just up 6.6% over the last 90 days, while altcoins are doing way better. It's 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. That is altcoin season, and right now we're in altcoin season. But guys, you have to be very careful. You have to be willing to sell at high prices. You are playing a game against other market participants. The higher we go, the more you should sell for some sweet profit. The higher we go, the more dangerous it becomes, because after altcoin season, the game is over. We're going down to gobbling town. After altcoin season, we start a bear market. And that's what we're going to get a lot of market participants off guard. We're going to see a lot of market participants buy into the final pump, expecting higher prices, and then we dump to gobbling town. But right now, talks are going around the cryptocurrency market how September might be a bad month for Bitcoin. Historically, September usually sees a big dump in the cryptocurrency market. But this time around, we saw September starting out with a high pump to the moon. The market bottomed on the 1st of September 2025. And since then, we have been pumping over the last 3 weeks. But right now, 9 days out to October, we are hearing talks about how October might turn to Dumptober. Bitcoin dropped below a 12-day lows on Monday, despite analysts hyping October rally potential, though I'm not confident that next month's rally will be up only. I still believe, guys, we are going to top in September, or best case scenario October. The October 13th date is going to prove very important in the coming days and the coming weeks. If you look at total crypto market cap excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum, we saw it crossing the $1.1 trillion level. We saw it setting new all-time highs. I won't be shocked if this dump is just temporary. I won't be shocked if the next 7 days provides us an opportunity to see a huge rally towards all-time highs, to see a huge rally to getting market participants sucked back into the market at the very wrong time. Remember, guys, the smart whales are always selling on the top. The dumb retails are always buying on the top. You have to ask yourself, do you want to be selling at the top, or do you want to be buying at the top? Right now, from the 6th of April 2025, total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum is up 64%. Total crypto market cap excluding only Bitcoin has also rallied since April. The crypto market cap excluding just only Bitcoin is up 92%, and that's greatly assisted by Ethereum. Ethereum is the king of the altcoin market. Ethereum is still showing huge strength against Bitcoin. Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin sits at the 0.037 ratio level. I will not be shocked before the end of the cycle if we see Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin gets to as high as a 0.05 ratio level. XRP still chilling around all-time highs. XRP has dropped to as low as $2.8. Long story short, guys, the altcoin market is very volatile right now. I always say this, the altcoin market is one of the most volatile markets in the world. If you want to get those 10x, those 20x, those 30x, you want to come to the altcoin market, but remember, volatility is your friend, and volatility is the future in the altcoin market. It's not a bug. These altcoins are volatile in both directions. We've seen altcoins pumping aggressively over the last 1 week. I've seen an altcoin go 30%, 40%. We haven't seen an altcoin go up 1,000% over the last 1 month. But right now, the market is pulling back, and the market is taking back some of those gains. Sentiment is still neutral. Even though we're at high prices, market participants have come to be used to those high prices. Bitcoin trading around $111,000. It's not something to write home about. Market participants are normal with it. They don't expect crazy pumps, or they expect crazy pumps. Even though Bitcoin at $112,000, the consensus is that Bitcoin can get to $150,000. Ethereum can get to $5,000. Maybe $6,000, but historically, when we start hearing outrageous price predictions, we need to start getting ready for an exit. Right now, there's fear. I will expect neutral sentiment to continue, and I will expect us to head to grid in the coming days and the coming weeks. The altcoin season index will still go back to altcoin season. We're going to see liquidations going in the opposite direction right now. A lot of bulls are getting liquidated. The last 24 hours, I've seen more than $1.7 billion in liquidation, and the bulls have lost more than $1.62 million, with the bears only losing $85 million. And if you look at the meme coin market, if you take a look at the top meme coins in the cryptocurrency market, huge losses across the board. That's in the last 7 days. But if you zoom out, what the meme coins did in the last 30 days, some of them still have some gains. Top 10 cryptocurrencies, my market capitalization is still relatively unchanged. Bitcoin is the king of the market, but Bitcoin is down 2% over the last 30 days. Ethereum is down 11%. XRP is down 7%. The next few days, we're going to see a lot of market participants capitulate at the wrong time, just before the final pump. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you getting ready for that final pump to the moon? Do you believe the bull run is over? Are you selling your altcoins right now, expecting this dump to continue? Maybe we're heading down to Goblin Town. If you're buying, which altcoins are you buying? How high do you see the altcoin market going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.